First, an app called Bumble for friends meet in real life. So let's just, I'm started out. I'm just trying to create an account. The idea of this app is that it's not for dating. It's just for making friends. So sometimes probably you're not in the mood just to date everyone. Sometimes you just want to discover some cool people in your area or someone you can just, be friends with or something like that. And then you just need to add your name, add your few photos, and then so whatever, I can just add some random selfies, add more photos, and then you can just add like your other info, add your gender shown on your profile if you wanna, your life, and then your interests, your relationship, for example, and then connect your Instagram if you want not now, and then that's what it is. And then let's go, and then change filters, and then you can just select who you want to meet, select languages, and then apply. You need to know that this app is quite new, so if you're using it probably outside of big US cities, you're not gonna see a lot of people yet. So it's just gonna take some time until there are more and more people in this area. So that's the idea, and then you can see who liked you, your profile, and then you can just chat. But you need to know again, the focus of this app is not dating; it's just making friends. So that's what it is. And then you can just set advanced filters. Add up to 2 filters you would like your friends to have. So do they smoke? Do they drink? Do they exercise? And all of the things like that. So give a try to this app. It's very easy to use, very easy to get started. So try it out.